Hey guys, let's talk about access panels today. So if you had a piece of drywall covering up a crucial piece of plumbing that had to be repaired, and there's a huge hole in your wall now that you need to cover up, instead of going through the process of patching it, you could install one of these access panels, and if you ever had to access it again, it'd be really easy to get to. They're super easy to install. Let's get into it right now. Alright guys, we're going to jump straight into it. The first thing I need to do is just simply open up the access panel. It's because the label that comes with my access panel is actually the stencil, so it's a really genius design on that, and we're just going to stick that to the wall exactly where we need it, and we're just going to mark out the four corners on it, and then I'm going to use the access panel itself as a straight edge. You can usually find these access panels at any hardware store, but if you can't find any, check the link in the description. Now that I've got those marks on the wall, I'm just going to use the access panel as that straight edge and just connect all the dots. Now depending on the tools that you have, you might just have a utility knife, which you could totally do this with just a utility knife, but I'm going to use this multi-tool. Now I'm only going to cut 3 sides of this, and then I'm going to use a utility blade to cut that 4th side. I'm just going to score the paper, and I'm just going to push on the drywall, it'll pop out, and then I'm just going to cut the paper on the back. Now one really important part here is you really need to remember to hit that subscribe button. Now that we're done with that, all we have to do is pull back the 2 tabs on the access panel, and we're just going to simply press it into the wall, and it'll be there as long as you need it. And to get it out is just as simple. Alright guys, here we are with the final product. It looks great. You could paint this and have it blend in really well, and you can actually, even if you had wallpaper and you still had some of the wallpaper, you could wallpaper over it and it would really blend in. If you need to access it, you just lift it off of there and it will come right off of there, and to put it back, you just fold that little clip back and it's back on there. I'll show you the back side if you want to look at the back side. You can see the clip the 2 clips just hold on to the edges of the drywall, and when you go to pull out, the clips just release on that spring. It's a great product. A whole lot of people don't know about this, and if you have a hole inside of a closet or behind a piece of furniture that you need to access because of plumbing, and you might have to do it again in the future, this is 100% the way to go. But rather than butterfly patching or doing a traditional patch or anything else, this is so easy. Literally, if you have this and a drywall knife, you're good to go. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button for me, and please subscribe. Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about access panels. I should probably show you the access panel instead of just doing this. Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about access panels. If you had a piece of drywall in a closet, in other words, Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get an access panel into a wall to where from it.